Hello everyone. In this session we'll discuss uniform distribution. Hello everyone. So we have already seen the first one in the continuous distribution, that is exponential distribution. Now we are moving to the second one, which is uniform distribution. So as the name suggests, uniform, that means for whatever interval it is defined, it will be obviously a continuous interval. So this whatever continuous interval it is defined, it will be uniformly distributed at any point. The distribution density function is going to be same as the density at any other point within the interval, and outside the interval it is going to be 0. The density function is given by f of x is equal to 1 by beta minus alpha if x is within this range and it is 0 otherwise. So we can see it is uniformly distributed. Let's say for an interval beta minus alpha, this is uniformly distributed. This is beta and this is alpha. The value is 1 by beta minus alpha. So this is the density. Now we can also check for the cumulative distribution function, which is given as, let's say, f of a from minus infinity to infinity. Will have to integrate this f of x dx, and of course it is not defined from minus infinity, it is defined between the region of alpha to beta. So we are going to get f of a equal to 0 if a is less than alpha, a minus alpha by beta minus alpha if a is within this alpha and beta, and it is going to be 1 for any value which is higher than beta. So these values are going to be, let's say the graph is going to be like this. This is nothing to do with, we were trying to make a straight line. Let's take it as a straight line. So this is beta, this is alpha, this is x, and this value is 1. This value is of course 0. So this is f of, let's say, a. So any value greater than alpha, greater than beta, the distribution is going to be 1 because it will be the overall integral which will be 1, right? Some of the other expressions we require here is the first one is expected value, which is the mean, which will be alpha plus beta by 2. The next one is variance, which is equal to sigma square, which is beta minus alpha square by 12, and of course sigma will be under root of this, beta minus alpha by under root of 12, right?